Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You have the latest schematic revision and the right viewing tool. First, scan the top-level blocks and mark power rails, ground, and reference nodes so you know what supplies what. Once done, trace the main signal path from input to output to find where processing happens. Make sure to note component values and footprints for ordering. This quick orientation prevents wasted time and guides all subsequent checks and actions. Now you dive into the detailed execution. Follow each signal path and confirm how signals are conditioned, filtered, and protected. While tracing, compare net names and labels to ensure continuity and mark test points for probing during validation. Make sure to verify component pinouts against datasheets so no pins are miswired. If you encounter ambiguous nets, use continuity checks and provisional annotations. This reduces guesswork when moving to layout or prototype testing and helps you anticipate behavior under load. Finish by validating connections and preparing to test. Run schematic rule checks and document any deviations, then assemble a concise test plan listing expected voltages, timing checks, and thermal observations. Prototype the most critical sections first and verify supply rails, reference voltages, and signal timing under real conditions. If something goes wrong, isolate the problem using a binary divide approach. Disable half.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.